Hello and welcome to the next screencast about the Digitrans.me online platform. This time I will show you how you can add a new quiz or change an existing one. To add a quiz you must possess a power user rights, and if you want to change a quiz you need to be defined as a trainer for this particular quiz. To get those rights you have to contact one of the admins of the platform. If you want to add a new quiz, you have to click here on the new unit button, which is only available if you have the power user rights. Clicking it will bring you to this page. You first have to enter the name of the quiz. Here I will have new quiz. Then you have to specify an URL identifier, which for me will also be new quiz. Then you have to choose the type of unit you want to add. Here we will have quiz service, and last but not least you have to define where you want to put the new quiz. I will just put it in the analysis phase. Afterwards you click on create, and now you have created an empty quiz. In the address bar we now see here new quiz, which is the URL identifier we insert during the creation. Now if we want to fill our new quiz with questions and answers, we have to use these 4 buttons, where the first shows you the quiz how it is now. The range shows you the configuration of the service itself. Here for example you can delete the whole quiz. The other settings will recommend you to just adapt if you have knowledge about the platform itself. This button with the person brings you to this page where you can add or remove trainers for this certain quiz. These trainers then can adapt this quiz in all languages if they have English, or in some specific language. If we want to add new questions and answers, we have to click on this pen. Here we see how we can add the questions. Here we can insert the question text. For example, is this a good new quiz? And here we can enter our answers. For example, I'll just here have an A. If we click on add answer, we add a new row, B, C, and D, and all the correct answers of the quiz we must toggle with this button. Green are the ones who should be true, and red are those who should be false. Now if we click on create and next, this question will be saved and the next one will open. But we don't want to add a new question, we just want this one. Clicking on the I button, we now see our question, and now we also can test them by just clicking on the answers and click on evaluate. Now we see that we have just got all answers wrong. Last but not least, if we want these errors to work as they should, we have to put this new quiz on the right place in the orders of units. Therefore I go to administration, and there under unit order I search for our new quiz, which is on the bottom, and put it on the right place just behind the analysis quiz here. Then I have to save the order. Now I can go back, refresh, confirm, and now I can use the arrows to go back and forth. So this was it for this video. Just to recap, I showed you how you can add a new quiz and then fill it with questions and answers. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.